National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 308, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Adams, Calumet, Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Green Iowa, Jefferson, Juneau, Kenosha, Lafayette, Manitowoc, Marquette, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Racine, Richland, Rock, Sauk, Sheboygan, Vernon, Walworth, Washington, Waukesha, Waushara, and Winnebago, and the following: nearshore waters around Sheboygan to Port Washington, nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light to Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point to Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point to Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Two Rivers to Sheboygan, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.